am Dr. Sujata Sharma, Senior Consultant Obstetrics and Gynecology. I will discuss a certain problem with you which is very common in women of reproductive age group, that is 35 years or above, can be present earlier also during adolescent years also, and that is abnormal uterine bleeding. So what is abnormal uterine bleeding? AUB, we also call it shortcut. AUB is a condition where there is an abnormality in the duration, frequency, flow of the menstrual cycle. So before I talk about abnormal uterine bleeding, let us know what is normal. The normal duration of the cycle length normal is from 24 to 38 days. Anything less than 24, more than 38 days is abnormal. So the normal duration of bleeding phase is 4.5 to 8 days. So anything less than 4.5 or more than 8 days is abnormal. How much should be the normal flow? It is between 20 to 80 ml. How do you count or how can you find out whether the amount of bleeding? So there is a pictorial graph you can easily find out on Google which can tell you about the soakage of the napkin and the amount of bleeding. So you can easily find out that. So what can be the normal variation between the two cycles? Maximum 7 to 9 days. So this is what is normal. So any variation from this is abnormal uterine bleeding. What are the causes? Causes can be many. First is presence of polyps in the uterine cavity, and these polyps can be fibroid polyp or endometrial polyps. It can be because of adenomyosis. It can be because of the presence of fibroids or uterine cancer. Some other factors which are outside the uterine cavity, there can be coagulation disorders. Blood does not clot very easily in certain people, coagulation disorders. It can also be because of some ovulatory dysfunction. Ovaries are not properly functioning. It can be because of endometrial hyperplasia, which means the lining of the uterus is thickened. It can be because of abnormal intake of hormones. You have been prescribed hormones by your doctor, but you are not taking it regularly or taking it without prescription for a long time. That can also cause AUB. And the last factor is there is just no reason, despite investigating the patient, you just cannot find any reason for abnormal uterine bleeding. You have to look for other factors. So if you have abnormal uterine factor, do consult your gynecologist. Thank you.